currently at Middlesex Uni and I'm graduating from Point Blank Music School. Studied music production, performance and DJing. Just met some great people along the way. It's been good meeting all the teachers and stuff, taking on their experience that they've brought into their lessons. There's obviously good contacts to build on for the future. So I DJ quite regularly up and down the country, so I'm just going to continue doing what I do best and follow it on.
I just graduated from music production sound engineering. Basically, I met with lots of people during my studies. I met with teachers that were really helpful to me. Now I'm looking for jobs basically in studios, and I found my studies doing Point Blank very well. My favorite moment was Music Futures event. I had lots of fun there, meeting with Anjuna Deep basically. Use the opportunities of Point Blank. They have lots of networks. Music-wise, I'm doing my own productions right now. I released from 2 labels recent years. Now I'm looking for studio jobs as a sound engineer, and I'm really excited for it.
We've just graduated with music production and sound engineering degrees.
The way they mashed it all together was pretty cool. Being on a small campus, you kind of make cool friends.
It was brilliant. I like the huge mix of things that we had to do. So many different genres and topics were discussed. You went all the way from classical composition to composition in TV and film, and that's what I'm doing now with my life. So it really helped with that aspect. I'm trying to look for a graduate job working maybe with a corporation that want in-house composition. So we're looking at that type of thing.
I already had a music career before I went to Point Blank, but there was areas of music that I needed to get tighter on because I had big projects coming up, and that was all in mixing and engineering. So that's why I did the degree, and I definitely feel a lot more equipped to do the work that I'm doing now. Everything I'm doing now feels easy, whereas like before, just a couple of different things felt like a chore, and now everything's a breeze now, so it hit the spot.
So the studios and the tutors there have so much experience within the industry, so don't be afraid. I was always sending emails to them and picking their brains. They're there for a reason, I guess.
I finished the 2-year music production and sound engineering course from Point Blank University. It was easily the best decision I've ever made. Like, the 2 years went by a little too quickly, but I had fun throughout. My favorite part of studying at Point Blank was getting to know so many people, meeting so many people from the industry who are all doing very different things and working together and building something new. I have already started working in the film industry, doing music for short films at the moment, but I do want to get into Hollywood eventually. I just think the entire experience was amazing. Every single week, you learn something new, you enjoy it, and it just keeps building non-stop.
I studied music production and sound engineering, Point Blank. Community was there. The lecturers were quite supportive. I got to meet loads of interesting people instead of just coming in and going. In that way, Point Blank had a really cool common area, so we could just chill there, work there and meet people. I am planning to basically throw my own club night, and then if I get any sort of studio assistant jobs, that'll be perfect, just to network a little bit more. Really go out of your way and meet people and just do your own research on a lot of topics that your lecturers give you. Just keep saying hi to people, because you'll never know where it gets you.